Welcome to R-OnlineClasses. Learn smart, learn fast. Matter and its interaction. We'll dive into some of the most important concepts in chemistry: properties of matter, atoms, elements, molecules and compounds, and mixtures. Let's get started. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. That means if something weighs something and takes up room, it's matter. Examples of matter. You are made of matter. Your body takes up space and has weight. Water is matter, whether it's in a glass or falling as rain. A balloon is made of matter, and so is the air inside it. Even though we can't see air, it takes up space and has mass. Brain think. What else is made of matter? Is your school bag made of matter? How about your pencil, your lunchbox, your pet? Yes, all of these are made of matter. Properties of matter are characteristics that can be observed or measured. Examples of properties of matter include color, shape, size, texture, density, and state: solid, liquid, gas. Atoms. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. Atoms are made up of three types of particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus, center, of the atom, while electrons orbit around the nucleus. Elements. An element is a pure substance made up of only one type of atom. There are 118 known elements, each with its own unique properties. Molecules. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. Examples of molecules include water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. Compounds. A compound is a pure substance made up of two or more different elements that are chemically bonded together. Examples of compounds include table salt, sodium chloride, and sugar, C12H22O11. Mixtures. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically bonded together. Examples of mixtures include salt water and air. Solution. A solution is a type of mixture in which one substance, the solute, is dissolved in another substance, the solvent. Examples of solutions include sugar dissolved in water and salt dissolved in water. Colloids. Colloids are a type of mixture where small particles of one substance are evenly dispersed throughout another substance. Examples of colloids include milk, fog, and smoke. Colloids scatter light, which makes them appear cloudy or opaque. This effect, known as the Tyndall effect, is used to identify whether a mixture is a colloid or a solution. Suspension. Suspensions are a type of mixture in which solid particles are evenly dispersed throughout a liquid. Suspensions tend to settle over time, meaning the solid particles will eventually fall out of the liquid. Milk is an example of a suspension mixture, as it consists of fat particles suspended in a solution of water and dissolved proteins. Conclusion. Today we learnt: definition of matter, difference between a molecule and a compound. The nucleus is made up of what two particles? Understanding matter is important for understanding the world around us. By learning about the properties of matter, atoms, elements, molecules, compounds, mixtures, and solutions, we can better understand how things work and how we can make things better. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with R-OnlineClasses, your gateway to success.